Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hootsuite for scheduling content across platforms, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Hootsuite website at www.hootsuite.com. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. You will be prompted to choose a pricing plan. Take your time to review the options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click the Continue button. You will now need to create an account. Fill in the required fields with your information. This includes your name, email, and password. Once you've entered your details, click on Sign Up. Check your email for a verification message from Hootsuite. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Return to the Hootsuite website and log in using your credentials. Now you are ready to connect your social media accounts. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. Choose the social media platforms you want to connect. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Once connected, you can start scheduling your content. Navigate to the Publishers section in the main dashboard. Click on Create Post to begin scheduling. Choose the social network you want to post to. Compose your content in the text box provided. Add any images or links as needed. Select the date and time for your post to go live. Once satisfied, click Schedule for later. Repeat the process for additional posts across different platforms. Your scheduled content will appear in the calendar view. You can edit or reschedule any posts as needed. Explore other features in Hootsuite to optimize your social media strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.